How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Today has been good so far. I woke up feeling rested. I had breakfast and went to school. I did my tasks and talked to friends. Now, I'm relaxing at home.
What would you like to do?
I would like to play outside. I enjoy running and jumping. Maybe I'll ride my bike or play with my friends. It's fun to explore and discover new things. Sometimes I like to draw or read books. I also like to help my family with chores.
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you. I woke up in the morning feeling rested. I had breakfast with my family. Then, I went to school or work. I learned new things and talked to my friends. After school or work, I came home and relaxed.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Paula. We met in school. We like to play together and have fun. They're always there for me when I need help or someone to talk to. We share secrets and laugh together. We enjoy doing things like playing games or going on adventures.
How was your holiday?
My holiday was great, thank you. I went to visit my grandparents. We spent time together and had fun. We played games and went for walks. I also ate a lot of delicious food. It was nice to relax and enjoy the break from school.
What do you do on Sundays?
On Sundays, I like to relax and spend time with my family. We usually have a big breakfast together. Then, we might go for a walk in the park. In the afternoon, I often do my homework or read a book. In the evening, we watch a movie or play board games.
Who is the strongest person in your family?
The strongest person in my family is my mom. She's strong not just physically, but also emotionally and mentally. She handles everything with grace and determination. My mom works hard to take care of us and always puts our needs before her own.
What fictional character would you like to be?
If I could be any fictional character, I would choose Harry Potter. He's brave, smart, and gets to go on exciting adventures. Harry has loyal friends like Ron and Hermione, and they always stick together. He fights against evil forces like Voldemort and protects the wizarding world.
What is your favorite thing to do in summer?
My favorite thing to do in summer is going swimming. I love splashing around in the pool and feeling the sun on my skin. Sometimes I go to the beach with my family. We build sand castles and collect seashells.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch a variety of things on TV. Sometimes I watch cartoons or animated shows. They're funny and entertaining. Other times, I watch educational programs or documentaries. I enjoy learning new things while I watch. I also like to watch movies, especially ones with adventure or fantasy themes.
What countries would you like to visit?
I would like to visit many countries around the world. One country I want to visit is Japan. I'm fascinated by its culture, food, and technology. Another country on my list is France. I want to see the Eiffel Tower and try French cuisine. I also want to visit Australia to see the Great Barrier Reef and explore its unique wildlife.
What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up and stretch in bed. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I have breakfast with my family. Sometimes I help prepare breakfast or set the table. Then, I get dressed and pack my bag for school. Finally, I say goodbye to my family and head out the door to catch the bus or walk to school.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up in the morning. My alarm clock wakes me up at the same time every day. Sometimes I wake up a little earlier or later depending on the day. Once I'm awake, I stretch and yawn before getting out of bed. I like to start my day feeling refreshed and ready to go.
How much time do you spend on your homework?
I spend about 1 to 2 hours on my homework every day. It depends on the amount of work I have and how difficult it is. Sometimes I finish quickly if the assignments are easy. Other times, I need more time to understand and complete my homework.
Can you talk about your mother's daily routine?
Sure. My mother's daily routine starts early in the morning. She wakes up and prepares breakfast for the family. Then, she helps me and my siblings get ready for school. After we leave, she cleans the house and does the laundry. In the afternoon, she might run errands or go grocery shopping.
What's the longest activity you've ever done?
The longest activity I've ever done was a camping trip with my family. We went hiking, fishing, and explored the outdoors for 3 days. It was a fun adventure, but it required a lot of endurance and stamina. We had to set up tents, cook meals over a campfire, and navigate through the wilderness.
Tell me about activities you do after school.
After school, I usually go home and have a snack. Then, I start my homework. I like to finish it as soon as possible, so I have time to relax later. Sometimes, I play outside with my friends or ride my bike around the neighborhood. Other times, I stay indoors and play video games or read a book.
Is there a pet in your family?
Yes, we have a pet in our family. We have a dog named Max. He's a friendly and playful Labrador Retriever. Max is part of our family, and we love him very much. He enjoys going for walks in the park and playing fetch. Sometimes he even sleeps in my room at night.
When do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed. After waking up, I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush and toothpaste. I put a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on my brush and start brushing. I brush all surfaces of my teeth, including the front, back, and chewing surfaces.
Where do you live?
I live in a house with my family. Our house is located in a quiet neighborhood. It has a front yard where we sometimes play and a backyard where we have a garden. Our house has several rooms, including bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and bathrooms.
How often do you eat out?
I don't eat out very often. We usually eat at home because it's more convenient and healthier. Sometimes we eat out on special occasions like birthdays or holidays. When we do eat out, it's usually once or twice a month. We enjoy going to our favorite restaurants and trying different foods.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer. I love playing soccer with my friends at the park. Soccer is exciting and fast-paced. It requires teamwork and coordination to score goals and win the game. I enjoy running around the field and kicking the ball. Sometimes I watch soccer games on TV and cheer for my favorite teams.
Is family important to you?
Yes, family is very important to me. My family is always there for me, no matter what. We support and care for each other. We spend time together and make memories. Family provides love, guidance, and encouragement. I feel safe and happy when I'm with my family. We share special moments and celebrate milestones together.
How often do you eat fruit?
I try to eat fruit every day. Fruits are healthy and provide important vitamins and nutrients. I usually have a piece of fruit with breakfast or as a snack. My favorites are apples, bananas, and oranges. Sometimes I make fruit smoothies or salads with a variety of fruits. Eating fruit makes me feel energized and refreshed.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English because it's a useful skill to have. English is spoken widely around the world, so knowing it can help me communicate with people from different countries. It's also important for school and work. Many books, movies, and websites are in English, so learning the language opens up more opportunities for me.
Have you ever visited an English-speaking countries?
Yes, I have visited English-speaking countries before. I went to the United States with my family for a vacation. We visited famous landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Disneyland. I also traveled to Canada to visit relatives. We explored cities like Toronto and Vancouver.